Hello there and welcome back to Proactive New York. With me today is Becky Foster, CFO at Chesapeake Bank. Becky, good to see you. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you, Christine, for having me today.
Of course. Yeah, great to have you back. Becky, from my understanding, the bank has partnered with a couple of ways with fintech, one of which has been done through an investment fund that's called the Alloy Alchemist Fund. And this, from my understanding, falls under a fintech bank alliance called Alloy Labs Alliance. So if you could first just describe just a bit about Alloy Labs Alliance and what they do, who they are.
Sure. Thanks, Christine. So we are a member bank of Alloy Labs Alliance, which is a consortium of community banks that are basically trying to drive innovation, product development, and strategic investments in order for us to meet our customers' needs. We're really trying to level the playing field in the financial industry.
So now tell me a bit more about the fund itself and how you kind of came to be introduced here.
Sure. So the fund was brought to us by Alloy Labs Alliance. The fund, which is called Alloy Alchemist Fund, is a way for us to have a measured approach as far as investing in fintech, where our commitment will be invested over many different investment opportunities. And it actually gives us, it's a way for us to also have a voice in shaping the way these new products and services might look.
Tell me a bit about why Chesapeake thinks this is so important to have.
We think that this investment fund fits our strategic plan very well. We know we can't sit back and do nothing as far as the space is concerned. We have to find a way to remain relative, to remain strategic, and to remain independent. And so we think this investment fund, as well as other investments that we've made in fintech, we have one other, is a way for us to accomplish that.
Can you talk a bit about how it kind of fits within the Chesapeake brand?
Sure. So it's a way for us to be able to shape, as I mentioned earlier, a way for us to shape how a product might look or feel, and for us to meet our customers' customer needs where they want to be met. And so we think it's a great culture fit. We know community banks have to be even more thoughtful and strategic nowadays. And this opportunity, which could be anything from payments to deposit account acquisition, lending, you name it, this investment fund will help us to reach our strategic goals.
It's good to see Chesapeake embracing these kind of technologies here. Becky, really good to speak with you, and thanks so much for teaching us about this.
Thank you.